Hi, my name is Anand. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use post blocks widget of AnyWhere Elementor Pro to create a dynamic testimonial slider. You must have seen a lot of testimonial widgets for Elementor. So before we dive deep into this tutorial, let me explain you how this approach will be different from using those testimonial widgets. Using this method, you will get a completely dynamic testimonial slider. Testimonials will be managed inside the WordPress backend using their own custom post type. So once you have finished designing, you won't have to open Elementor editor again and again just to add or manage existing testimonials. You can also design your own skins. That means you will have full control over how a testimonial will look inside the slider. So here is the list of plugins that we will be using in this tutorial. Elementor, AnyWhere Elementor Pro, CPTUI for creating custom post types, and advanced custom field for creating the custom fields. For a particular testimonial, we need following some data to be stored in the database, like testimonial content, author image, author name, author designation, or author company. So we will be managing all these data using the custom post types and the custom fields. So now let's start by creating a custom post type called testimonials. With CPTUI plugin, you get a new option in the WordPress sidebar admin menu. CPTUI, add edit post type. Click on it. Give it a suitable slug. Let's say testimonial. And also provide the plural and singular label. After this, you have to click on the add post type. Now here we have a new link in the WordPress admin menu, testimonials. We have three native options: title, content, and featured image. Title can be used to manage the testimonial title. Content can be used for testimonial content, and featured image can be used to manage the author image. For the rest of the fields, we have to create the custom field. Now go to custom fields and add a new field group. Click on add new. Here we have to create the two custom fields. So add the first one to save the author name. Let's name it like author name. The field type should be text. And create another text field to save author designation. This should also be the text field. And don't forget to set the post type as testimonial. The location section of not go to add new testimonials once again, and you will see that these two fields are now available there. So we have all the fields set up that are required to save the testimonial data. Now it's time to create the design part. To display the testimonial slider on front end, you will have to use the post block widget of plugin AnyWhere Elementor Pro. It allows you to create your own skins for the slider, and we call it as block layouts. So let's start by creating a block layout for your testimonial slider. To create a block layout, click on templates, add new. Give it a name for future reference. Under the text editor, go to AnyWhere Elementor settings. Select the render mode as block layout, and under the preview post, select any of the testimonial that you have created under the testimonial post type. Just type few starting letter of the testimonial title, and it will populate the options. Now set the template as default Elementor canvas, just to get a distraction-free area for editing and designing your layout. Now start editing with Elementor. Here under the widget section, you will see a lot of AE widgets available under the title AE template elements. From here you can use AE title widget to show the testimonial title or the post title, and then AE post image to load the featured image which we are using as a post or testimonial author. Now AE post content widget to load the testimonial content, and for the custom field data you have to use AE custom field widget. Just drop the custom field widget here, and under the name you have to specify the custom field name. Author underscore name, and we have also created another custom field, so just duplicate the widget and change the name of the field, author underscore designation. So here is the basic structure of our testimonial. Now all these widgets have a lot of styling options, so you can use them and design as per your theme or as per your mockup. You can also arrange them in a different structure. So here is the one that we have created, and let's look better now. Now move back to the admin dashboard and go to the page where you want to create or where you want to add the testimonial. Here we are creating a new page just to show you how you can add this. Now edit this page with Elementor. Now drag the post blocks widget here. Under the source, select your post type as testimonials, and the template, select the block layout that you have created. Select it. Now it is showing all your testimonials in the layout that you have created, but it's in a grid structure. So there's the default one. Now go to layout section, and here you can select grid, carousel, whatever you want. So now here is a carousel. Now you can change the slides per view. Let's say 1. So this is the testimonial slider. There are various fade effects, flip effect available. You can use them. Another controls available to control the speed of the carousel. So you can all these options to configure your carousel and slider in a different way. Now save it and view it in front end. So here it is working. This is just a demo page that we have created to show the possibilities with this widget. You can design different kind of skins for a testimonial slider. You can also show them in a grid or list format, so it is not just restricted to testimonial slider. You can also create testimonial grid and testimonial list layout.